Hello, fellow developers. I'm Shubham Verma, co-lead organizer of Hackmoreish Hackathon 2022. I'm here to encourage and motivate you guys by telling you more about track prizes and free benefits of our hackathon, submission processes, and then we will start our hackathon. Let's begin with our track prizes. So our first track prize is brought to you by Tezos. So Tezos is providing you 20,000 rupees for the best tea app built on Tezos and community grant opportunity up to $5,000 for outstanding projects. Our next track prize is brought to you by Polygon. Polygon is providing 10,000 for the best hack built on Ethereum or 15,000 rupees for the best build on Ethereum plus Polygon. And the next is brought to you by Silo. Silo is providing 20,000 for the best DApp build on Silo and community support. And the next track prize, Filecoin. Filecoin is providing 20,000 for the best use of IPF5 or Filecoin. And now our sponsor, the DApp list, which is going to airdrop some NFTs to special top 5 winners of the DApp quiz. And more about this in upcoming event, the DApp show. So guys, stay tuned. Now let's have a huge round of applause for Rishi Raj Chauhan, who is going to explain you about free benefits and submission tips. Rishi Raj Chauhan, now you can take over. Thank you.
Hello developers, I'm Rishi Chauhan, organizer of Hackmoreish Hackathon 2022. I'm here to tell you about the free benefits that all participants can enjoy. So let's start with the first company, that is XYZ, which is providing free domains for 1 year to all participants. Here is the registration links, instructions in the description and code of XYZ, how you can access. Now you all will be messed up in just managing the team and your project. So here is the TASKADE, which is providing with your to-do list manager, event manager. Here is the sign up form where you can sign up, and we will be giving you all the access to the TASKADE Pro plans. Now the third is VoiceFlow. You all have seen websites where there is a chat box at the bottom, and that makes the website looks prettier. So here is VoiceFlow, which can be helpful for your applications and websites to make them look attractive. So there's a landing page where you will be getting your code, and you have to sign up to the VoiceFlow, and you will enjoy every blue pen that is worth rupees $50 per subscription. And now at last there is REPL.IT, which is providing IDE, which is free of any setup. Like when you set up C++, you have to compile, you have to set up a compiler. REPL.IT provides IDE that is having 50 plus languages, and you don't need to get a single second to make any setup. Here's the code, and here's the redeem link where you can get go, and the first 30 developers who will grab just to this is only for the first 30 developers. Now I'm just going to give you some submission tips. Like when I was participating in hackathon, I usually get stuck in the submission time because there was some a lot of messed up created. So what you have to do is just you have to make your GitHub link public so that it is visible to us and we can judge. Now the second thing is PPT slides. You have to make a presentation of your project. What is this is optional basically. What you have to do is you have to make a what you have to tell the aim of the project, what you are making, and what benefits it is providing to you and the world, and some screenshot of the project how it is viewing. And the third is the tags. Like tag is only the important thing. I think so. It is the most important thing. Like what technology you have used. Like if you are building a blockchain method using blockchain, you have to mention the blockchain and frameworks like Django. You have to mention them. Sorry, and then you have to obviously give the themes. Like what theme are you making on, like games, environment, and others. You have six basics. Basically, we have six themes on a site. You can get from there, and the languages you are using: C, C++, or HTML. And the tags are important because if you will not mention the tags, we will not be able to distinguish the projects. And before for that, you have to mention the tags. Like the track prices, we already told you we will not be able to give you the track prices if you will not mention. Like we will not be able to distinguish. So it is important. And the last, when you will just land on the portfolio submission page, you will be seeing the boxes where you have to tell us about the, like, in brief what you have mentioned in the presentation. You have to give it there. Like you have to tell about the aim of the project and benefits that they will be creating to the world and what changes it can make. Like obviously you are building some project for the change, so it is what you think, what your vision is, you have to tell them. And now at last, before ending the hackathon, I just before ending the session, I would like to tell you that there are many first timers. I was also first timer at some point, so there is no point of, if you lose, don't get demotivated. Always just to try to learn something and get knowledge. So let's start with the hackathon now. So let's begin. Hackathon begins. Thank you.